Hello and good morning. So today we are going to show you on how to replace a socket. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is MOHAMAD HAKIM bin NASUHA. My matric number is 10DE23F1500.
My name is MAZIZ bin MOHAMAD. My number matric is 10DE23F1094. First of all, we need to know equipment and tool. First, this is a new socket. Second, test pen. Third, screwdriver. And the last one, wire cutter. After that, we need to identify the problem, the socket or DB. When I turn on this socket, the DB was tripped. Step is find the DB box. This DB box, we need to open the cover. Now, we check the power supply have a leaking or not. So now, this power DB not have leaking. In the next step, we need to check another socket to make sure the socket problem or not. When I turn on the socket, the DB not turn off or trip. So when I on this socket, this socket was tripped at DB. So we know the socket problem. We need to replace for the new one.
Okay, so before we change the new socket, we need to turn off the power supply at the DB. After that, we check the current flow at the socket first to ensure our safety. So there's no current flow in the socket, so it is safe to remove the cover for the socket. After that, we loosen the screw and remove the power socket. The next step is we disconnect the wire from the old power socket. We need to prepare the new socket. So first I loosen the screw for each place, and at here we know that this is for live wire, this is for earth wire, and this is for neutral wire. So I unscrew it first. And now we are ready to connect it to the box. Now we connect the wire to the new socket. First, I put the live wire first. And after that, we put the earth wire. And last, we will be putting the neutral wire. And after that, we secure it in place. After I screw the socket in place, we test the new socket whether there is current flow in it. So we know that there is current flow in the socket, so the new socket is safe to use.
That is all from us to replacing new socket, and thank you.